Ticker DNUT. How many of you traded this yesterday? How many of you traded donut yesterday? We had a huge pop intraday. It came all the way back down and retraced the move. Then we had a wild after hours and we're higher here today. What's going on? Well, they're trending. The stock of the multinational donut and coffee house chain climbed 3.8% to $3.27 during after hours trading on Wednesday. It actually popped during the regular session as well, following the FBI director Kash Patel's congressional testimony about his stock purchase. So Cash buying some DNUT there, causing the stock to spike, retrace the entire move, actually went lower than it was when they first got that news, then traded back up here in the after hours. One of the congressmen asked Patel about buying between 15,000 and 50,000 in donut shares on May 9th. Cash also bought between $50,000 and $100,000 worth of ON Semiconductor, that's ticker ON. He answered, quote, I submit proposals under DOJ guidance. His disclosure with the Office of Government Ethics states that there's no current conflict regarding his purchase, meaning they do not interfere at all with FBI responsibilities. This is kind of why I was snickering there. I know there's a lot of jokes about cops and donuts and all of that, and now the director of the FBI is buying stake in a donut company. It almost feels as if you can't even make it up.
They're going to be busy.
That's absolutely right. He had previously sold over 40 holdings, including NVIDIA, Palantir, and Eli Lilly, to prevent potential conflicts of interest when he took the FBI role. So that, to me, adds yet another just kind of level of funny to me. You got a guy here that wants to play by the rules, at least by all things that we can tell here, has a bunch of mega winners. I think NVIDIA and Palantir absolutely classify as a mega winner. Eli Lilly, too, especially on the back of his fat tricks, sells it all and says, I'm going to buy a donut company. I'm sorry for laughing. To me, it's just, some of the news is not great. This one, to me, a little bit cheery. So I turn it back to the charts here. Who's looking to buy donuts? And no, I don't mean the little delicious rings of fried dough. I mean ticker DNUT. Who's looking to buy Krispy Kreme on the back of that? You'll have to let me know.
Let's see. So the price right now is like right up at the 50-day SMA. So we'll see how that ends up, climbing over it or not. But that's where we're at right now. So that looks to me like the big resistance area. Not going to get into the DNUT, but this is one of the stocks. I mean, dude, it's not necessarily a staple, right? It's more of discretionary, I would say, right? Nobody needs to eat this, and it's absolutely hammered. So this is kind of one of the stocks that's probably going to end up doing much better next year.
We'll see. Ticker DNUT. Maybe a bottom has been put in.